Sure. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Oh, yeah, sure. Is it a picture or?
I wanted to give you this.
What is this?
An autograph from me.
Oh, wow. An autograph from you?
That's me when I'm 18.
When you're 18, how old are you now?
I'm 20.
You're all grown up, huh?
I look like a wrestler.
You do look like a wrestler. You look like, what would your wrestling name be?
I had something in SmackDown.
You forgot it? Get back to me. Email me.
You look like a raven.
Yeah, he does. You look like Raven. Yeah, a little bit like Raven. Very cool. Thank you for
Hey,
this.
could you send for him?
Oh, sure. On the other side, sure. There you go.
Will you show this on your show?
I got an autograph from Collie. Thanks.
I was wondering, is it okay? Hold the camera, picture.
Do a picture? Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
No problem. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Thanks. Hello.
Hello. Dude.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you. Skóknir og það?
Ég er mín.
Ég ekkert í skónum. Snillt að vera hann.
Ha?
Snillt að vera. Snillt að vera.
Þú veit þetta rauður.
Er ég geðið rauður? Já. Herru, ég var að tala um Trish Stratus, þú veit ég er fucking rauður. Þú er rauður.
Ég talaði við hann.
Herru, ég glemdi að biðja hann Brian Pendis match.
Það þarf að fara aftur við það.